everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel TECHBoy Sandesh. Today we are going to discuss how to download the premium version of kinemaster for free. Premium version means where we get premium facilities. It doesn't show ad and it remove the watermark. For that we have to go to Play Store. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's begin. Go to Google Chrome and search ACMARKET and search AC Market APK. Here you can see our result have been shown, and you have to click the first link of AC Market, that is acmarket.net. And this type of interface will appear. You have to just click on download now. I have already installed that. I will open. Till your app will be downloaded, you watch my video how to install the kinemaster premium version. Okay, I'll open that app, and this type of interface will appear. You have to search here kinemaster, 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 and search. And you have to click the kinemaster, and you have to click download, and you have to click on free download. And you have to click on this download icon, and you can see our app is in progress. I have already installed this. I will open that app and let's check is it premium or not. I'll go to kinemaster. You can see intro is also different, and you have to choose your ratio and see here are no ads, and I will put one background here. And here you can see no watermark of kinemaster, and you can get all premium features. See, you can get more frame, also icons, also we can get more. So this much for today. We'll meet in next video soon. Thanks for watching.